Hey guys, hope you all have been well. Today we're finally going to do a haul video, and I already want to jump into the video because my New Year's resolution for YouTube was to keep my videos to a minimum. But basically what we're doing is what I got for Christmas, a slight haul because I gave presents to myself. I'm an adult, I'm capable of doing it. So I'm going to resurrect this bag that I did a declutter on, and I've included all the new stuff that I've purchased. Before we get started, makeup will be posted on Instagram. I wanted to call it Holy Smokes. Get it? Smoky eye. Smokes. There's probably a palette with that name on it anyway, so I'm not going to claim the rights to it. I spat. Let's get into this video. I did want to start off my haul with these two particular products because I was going to film this video yesterday and this just came in the mail yesterday and I didn't have time to swatch it separately. I will be showing you swatches of all these other products separately so it's more detailed and I don't have to sit here and like unbox every single thing. What I have is the Patrick Star. Look at this amazing packaging. The Patrick Star setting powder, and I really do like the way that he bakes. It might be a little too much for people, but I think the idea of what he does, it's very flawless looking and looks really good on his skin. I hear it's more pink based. Let me just check. Definitely more pink based, but I did get another powder that I'm going to be mixing with this and all my other translucent powders as well. Next is a lipstick, and this is the Patrick Wu lipstick. How amazing that he gets to get a lipstick in the Woo category. Only Rihanna was able to do that. This lipstick, this is Patrick Wu. I hear that this is not as drying as the Ruby Woo formula, which is great. The mattes that they have generally is really good. Now, let's run through these items. First, I got the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I'm just kidding, I wish. These are the pumps. I have one in Toasted Toffee, which I'm going to use this pump for, and then I got another shade because I get pretty tan when I go outside a lot and I swim, and sometimes I just don't do those things as often, so my skin lightens up, so I need a lighter foundation to match. So I got, I was already done talking about that, the Double Wear in Honey Bronze, and this is the exact same shade range, just one up. So I'm not shade range, but undertone. It is in the W line, and I have this one in 4W1, and if I'm not mistaken, Toasted Toffee is 4W2. Moving along with Patrick Star, I got both of the palettes. I'm so excited because he has so many of my favorite eyeshadows in both. The first one that I have here is in Glam AF, and it has Brulee, which is a satin. I don't know how to pronounce this. I wish I knew how to say it like he did. It's basically like, oh my god. That is a frost, and then Saddle, which is a matte, and Embark, which is a matte. This palette just screams Annabelle. It's just like, hey Annabelle, I'm putting you in a palette. Thanks, Patrick. I appreciate it. And then the next palette here is called Goal Getter. And in this palette you have Soft Brown, good color, Amber Lights, amazing, Swiss Chocolate, amazing, and I'm Into It, which I believe is the only shade that's not in the permanent collection. The color scheme is definitely different, but it has the same feel where you can achieve a similar look just with a different like color palette. That makes sense. Another lipstick that I got was in Mama Star. When I saw this lipstick and this lip gloss, I knew that I had to have it. And it's just a perfect everyday, great tone. You can dress it up, you can definitely dress it down. Also got the matching lip glosses to go with it. Judging from the swatches, it doesn't seem as like stringy as it used to be, so high hopes for that. Inglot gel liner. I got this in number 77, the infamous one. I used Black Track for years. I have yet to purchase anything besides Black Track in terms of black gel liner. I saw that Macy's started carrying Inglot. I got curious and I wanted to try it out because this is one of the OG black gel liners. when Inglot first came out, this was like all the rage. So I got curious, bought it because I needed a black gel liner. I can't live without it. It's my go-to form of eyeliner. Some repurchase items that I have 2 Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. I need them in my life. I have one in ash brown that I use pretty much for every day. It looks like a very nice natural brow, but I can, you know, define my brows at the same time. And then to go heavier on the outer corner, or just my brows overall if I want to go a little flaky, I have the chocolate form. I had put these in my declutter video, the old version, so I got new ones. The MAC Kohl pencil, I believe is what it's called, iKohl, and I got this one in Teddy. People who have been into makeup for some time know about the Teddy iKohl. And then for the black pencil liner, I chose the NARS Larger Than Life Longwear eyeliner, and I got this in Via Veneto, and this sucker will not leave your eyeballs. You probably have to scratch it off. I want to try and do some of the inner rim of my eye lining, and I really want a strong liner because my eyes water and they raccoon so easily. It's unbelievable. Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I know you guys have seen me use this in my videos and see that I still have some product left, but I got the darker version. I want to try mixing this dark powder with the regular powder and see if I can come up with some sort of concoction close to my skin tone, because I love baking. I really do, but I feel like sometimes I have like this cast, but I like the way this product works on my skin. It's like the best at setting my foundation, so I want something to match the skin, because I can go light under the eyes, but when I put all over my face it starts looking weird. I mean, I know I can bronze, I know I can put another powder over it, but if I can just use the same setting powder, why the heck not? This next item, I am very excited about this. I always get excited about eyeshadow palettes. So I have the NARS Narcissist Loaded palette. There's another one that I recently saw. I'm like, I might want to get that too. When I saw this, it spoke to me. And I have a lot of palettes like this. Don't get me wrong, I'm not denying it. It just looks so good. It looks so good, and I love my NARS eyeshadows. I can always trust good outcomes, good results from, I almost said MAC. Good results from NARS eyeshadows. I've never been led astray. And the final products are my ColourPop liquid and satin lips. I didn't realize, I'm gonna be honest, I didn't realize that I had purchased some satins, but I'm not that angry, because if I mix them together, I'm pretty sure I can get a comfortable wear, because I hate liquid lipsticks that just dry my already chapped lips up. I can use it on a video, but to wear it out in public, no. You will see the cracks of the Andrea's Fault all up in this. So pink with this kind of like circly stuffs on it is the Ultra Satin Lip, and then in the other box, this white one here, this is the Ultra Matte formula. First one that I got here is in Beeper, and the reason I got this was because it was on the best-selling list. I got Frick and Frack. I'm not gonna lie, I got this purely based on the name Frick and Frack. And then I have Chi. I believe this was also one of the ones that I got on the bestseller list. The last two I got as combinations. Now the first one is called Hidden Agenda. Look at these cute sleeves that you have on here. The 3 satin lipsticks that come in here, it's an Ultra Satin Lip Trio. It comes with Stud, Rain, and Mystic. And then this one here is, it just says ColourPop. I love these sleeves. I think they're really pretty. This trio comes with 2 Ultra Mattes and 1 satin. And the colors that come in here are Mama and Lovebug, which are both matte. Can someone tell me, is Mama the one that Kathleen Lights came up with? I don't know. And then the satin that's in here is in Calypso. That is my haul video. I'm hoping that when I edit this video, it's gonna be under 10 minutes. I'm gonna be so proud of myself if it is. So guys, as usual, if you guys like this makeup look, again, go ahead and head over to Instagram. Link will be down below. And also, if you guys enjoyed this video and have not done so already, go ahead and click the red subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it, and you can be notified for when I post new videos up. So guys, till the next video, I hope you all are doing well, taking really good care of yourselves. I will see you all next time. Bye.